Alright, so what we're running now, the first operation was doing the front and the top, these holes in the top and the back side. Oh, and those holes down in here, these two tap holes. Second operation, we're doing the spacing to get that exact width across here, the holes, the tap hole, and these two tap holes on either side. So, setting in fixture and getting ready to run. Back side. Now we're gonna flip it over here and do the front side. As soon as we finish this, then we're going to come over and drill for the bore. Well, the facing is done, so we've got our dimension there. And we'll spot drill for the bore. Because I don't want that drill to walk on me at all. Drill both sides. Smaller drill, and then I'll come back with a bigger drill. Big drill, and that leaves about 20 thousandths of an inch on the wall, so when we go to mill it, we're not spending any time at all. Get all the material out. And because I'm using a pretty thin end mill to come down in there, finish, I do a couple passes to what's nice about this fourth axis is that when we do our bores like this, they're perfectly in line. there's the bores and those flats. Now we're gonna spot drill for some tap holes here. And this is for their motor adjust bolt hole. I have to do a little clearance drill on the top of this because the material's so thick I couldn't get the tap through all the way otherwise. I'll just go down here about 3/8 of an inch. And tap drill the 1/4 screws now. This is what I spent my Sunday doing, programming this. It was pretty satisfying when you get one done, parts running perfectly, and you just start popping parts out. Now we're going to tap those holes. Little 1/4 holes. We're tapping at 1200 RPM. Sure beats hand tapping.